Good morning, sir. I am Rohan Shukla of CSE B1 batch, and today I am going to present the presentation on the topic of a mobile operating system. So, my presentation consists of introduction on mobile operating system, evolution of mobile operating system, categories of mobile operating systems, and market share, characteristics of mobile operating system for smartphones, issues and challenges faced by mobile operating system, and at the last, conclusion. Introduction. Cell phones range from simple communication devices to high performance software such as PCs, and almost every manufacturer has focused on creating innovative mobile workplace platforms. Mobile operating system is also known as mobile OS set of data and application running on computer or mobile devices. It manages all the hardware and improves the performance of system software on the device. A mobile OS control multimedia activities for mobile and internet connections and more on mobile phones. Mobile OS is available for smartphones, personal digital assistants, PDAs, tablets, etc. Evolution of mobile system. The ever-growing, innovative, and amazing worlds of smartphones has history like everything else. Back from the days of Palm OS to Android Honeycomb, when more than dozens of smartphone operating systems were available on the global market. On the next slide, there was a table which shows the evolution of mobile operating system from 1999 to 2011. Since we are short on time, there is a limit of 5 minutes. Therefore, I would like to skip these slides, uh, but you can go through them. Now, the categories of mobile operating system. The first category is product OS designed for manufacturer. Some device manufacturer use their own control for their phones and tablets. A good example is Apple, which has an iOS operating system developed by their iPod Touch, iPhone, and iPad devices. Other example including RIM using their BlackBerry OS for all BlackBerry phones and tablets, and HP using their Palm Web OS for the Palm services of smartphone and tablets. The feature of these apps is that they have consistent feel all the devices on all the devices. They are consistently on in the way that Mac OS X OS 10 looks and behaves in the same way on a Mac Pro as it does on an iMac or Mac Air. The next category is external copyright OS. Another category is proprietary apps developed by companies that do not manufacture devices but give their operating system to manufacturer to use them. Popular examples are Windows 7 and developed by Microsoft and available for use on a smartphone by HTC, Samsung, Dell, LG, and among others. These applications tend to look and behave consistently on all devices, such as Windows 7 appearing and behaving the same regardless of the type of computer you use. The last one is free with open sources OS. They are open source apps developed by a company, a group of companies, or a community of developers and made uh, available to everyone to modify them in any way they choose and to incorporate them into devices performance. Example of these apps include Android, Symbian, upcoming Megogo, and most importantly, Android. Device manufacturers fine tuning such a operating system to better fit their devices and often add additional features or links to differentiate themselves from other versions of the same operating system, and this is often their marketplace. As an open source, these functional programs gives independent engineers the opportunity to modify them from scratch and use them on supported devices or to bring a new user experience to officially supported devices. Our next topic is market share. The growing popularity of mobile devices has caused intense competition between software giants such as Google, Microsoft, Apple, other open sources communities, as well as leaders of the mobile phone industry, Nokia, Samsung Research in Motion Rim, and Palm in an attempt to capture it. The largest share in the market of mobile operating system is occupied by Android. Uh, Mobile currently outperform PC. Mobile currently outperforms PCs by 4 is to 1, which is of course is a huge opportunity in the mobile industry. As you can see in the graph, Android bar is relatively high compared to other OS. Now, characteristics of mobile OS system for smartphones. The smartphone market has very specific requirements that make it different from the market of PCs and other mobile phones. Reducing PC OS and having the ability to communicate within a minor and basic OS outcome in a variety of basic compromises. The features that make up the smartphone market are unique and require a well-designed OS. First one is smartphones are small and usable. Second, multiple frequent and continuous communications. Third one is product variations. Fourth one is open code, and the last one is limited memory. Issues and challenges faced by mobile OS operating system. The first one is mobile OS design suffer from usability and interaction issues. Usability issues are difficult due to the miniature size of the mobile devices. Interaction issues arise from the fragmentation of the mobile devices platform, mobile operating systems, and mobile browsers. Hardware configuration management and software delivery of content for various smartphones and offered by various service providers is difficult. Introduce the possibility of configuration errors like bugs, viruses, and other malware, flexibility of applications on various OS. The application of more than one mobile OS application requires more than one configuration, and all operations must be occurred for certain user groups. Customization is considered a major challenge as it is unable to uh, it enable OS successes. User design for various mobile applications. The method of placing roaming apps with the different OS is different. Space management and resources storage features such as pop over overs, alert software gradients, etc. So, in conclusion, similar to the computer operating system, a portable OS is a software platform in addition to other operating systems. When you buy a mobile phone, the manufacturer will select the operating system for that particular device. The app is responsible for determining the functions and features provided on your phone, such as thumbnails, keyboard, web, app synchronization, email, text messaging, and more. The mobile operating system will also determine which third-party application can be used on your devices. In this paper, we summarizes our discussion on evolution, the various categories of mobile OS, market share, comparative studies, news, and challenges. Research is ongoing on all of these problems and challenges, and solutions are developed to find and sustain competitive market by various vendors. So, thank you. Here ends my presentation on the topic mobile OS. Thank you.